What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another paranormal investigation. We're at another graveyard. I'm kind of into this graveyard stuff right now. Kind of thinking about doing like a full series. We are going to have another abandoned house haunted video coming out as well next week. But then after that I might do a full cemetery series where I hit like 4 or 5 cemeteries. Comment down below if you're into that. If not, then we will just go back to the houses. Doesn't really matter. But anyways, guys, I'm here with Carly today.
Hi guys.
We're at a pretty local cemetery that's pretty close to home, and yeah, we've already had some weird thing go on while we were coming in here. I don't know, comment down below, guys, if you have ever been to a cemetery that has automated like motion detecting music. We went by this one like structure building type thing, I'm not sure what to call it, almost like a mausoleum, and we literally went by and music started playing. So we're kind of like, what? I don't know. I've never seen that before, but then again, I'm not in cemeteries a lot until recently. But anyways, guys, let's get right into this investigation. Leave a like and positive comment down below, and let's get right into this. Alrighty, guys, we're going to start the investigation here. I have the EMF detector right here, and we'll see if we get any EMF. I have been here actually a while ago. I forgot all about it until we got here. But I was here for a rando nodding video. There's actually a pond right there. So I'm thinking this might be the best location for activity.
By a body of water.
Yeah, by a body of water. They actually found someone like OD'd in this cemetery a while back. Not too long ago. Which is pretty wild. So, let's take a little walk around here and see what's going on. Did you hear a voice? I swear I heard a voice over there. Weird. Okay. Could have just been the wind or your boot.
This place is huge.
Oh yeah. No, yeah, this place is gigantic. Like, it takes a couple minutes, probably 5-10 minutes just to drive through to get to the back, and that's where we're at right now. It's the back of the cemetery. What? What was that?
It was probably just
What do you want me to do?
the dream catcher. You remember one of our rando videos?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we did the intention dream catcher. That would have been cool to find.
Yeah.
What is all that crap? Like just like blue.
Well, probably something like the box that
Yeah, that thing's gonna be kind of annoying. So I don't think we'll stay back here too long. Sorry if the wind noise is no good, guys. It's so loud we'd never hear anybody in this place.
No, or it sounded like a squeak like you heard.
Yeah, I heard that. I heard that over there too. Maybe it's one of the decorations. This is kind of cool. This is like a trigger type object. Oh, did it just turn? Oh, it's the light. Oh, it's not off. Oh, there we go.
I'm lost.
I'm lost.
Why are you lost?
Are you lost in here? Do you not know where you are? I'm going to set this device right here to the person that said they were lost. If you would like, you can communicate with us by grabbing onto that or talking through that device right here that you already spoke through.
Jessica.
Jessica. Is your name Jessica, or is there somebody you want to say something to named Jessica?
Just looking for a Jessica.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. That was pretty quick. Are you right here with us?
I got chills.
Me too.
Sorry for intruding. We just want to talk.
Yeah, we don't mean you any disrespect. We don't mean anyone here disrespect. If you want to talk, you can talk. If you don't have to. Can you make a noise for us? Or maybe make that wind chime louder?
Or stop. That was a huge gust of wind too.
It's still blowing.
Yeah.
Your hair's blowing in the wind. You can see that on camera, and it just stopped when you said that. It literally made it stop. She literally made it stop. Or
There
he.
it goes again.
Yeah, now it's starting back up. Thank you. That was weird. Alright, well, they asked us to leave her alone.
Yeah.
Maybe we go over here.
Respect.
Or what? Where do you want to go?
Go.
Do you want to just try the other side here?
Yeah.
We're away from there. If they follow us, then,
Sorry, we're trying.
you know, it's not really our fault. I do want to show you. What was that? Did you
I
hear
heard
something?
it, yeah.
In the bush? 100%. Could be a rabbit or something. Are you in the bush? Can you make noise in the bush again? I heard you. Did you hear that? Come stand by me so I can tell if you hear the same thing.
I heard that.
Yeah. Are you playing in the bushes?
Haven't gotten much yet.
No, nothing on the ghost tube since.
Yeah.
They asked us to leave them alone. This whole cemetery is huge though, so we're gonna hit a couple spots.
Yeah.
We just decided we'd start back here. Just because it's the back, and then we'll work our way forward. I'm gonna trip in here though. Would anyone like to communicate with us? There's a device right here, and if you sit down by it, we'll be able to see that you're here. Or the device in her hand you can speak into. Is anybody here with us? We don't mean you any disrespect. We're here with complete respect. My name's Ryan and this is Carly.
We're just here to help you pass the message on if there's anything you want to say. I just heard something like a...
Did you? From
Yeah.
behind you, or?
Like a noise.
Was that you over there? Can you make that noise again? Can you make that noise again or no? Not much activity here. I mean, we had a few things. It's not like it was dry, but I got the EMF detector going and there's nothing on that. Should we do an EVP before we leave here?
Sure.
I'm gonna do an EVP recording session. Let's see if we get anything from that. Okay guys, so I got the Olympus EVP recorder. I'm going to set it right here on this railing. And we'll ask a couple questions. It is loud out tonight, so I don't expect that good of a reaction. Maybe we'll go right here where there's a little less wind. Plus we were hearing some noises over here.
Bored.
Do you miss being alive? We just got bored on the ghost tube. Well, we're gonna end our investigation back here. We're gonna move more to the center of the graveyard-ish. There's a couple spots that we wanna hit, so we're gonna do that. Yo, can you turn on your light and shine it that way? Okay, just hold up. Let me just do this quick. I'll turn on my, open it up though. Okay, I just heard something really weird, guys, when I was about to make a little segment. But anyways, I'm sorry to interrupt the video, but I will be actually doing a live stream in the next like 2 weeks or so. So make sure you guys tune into that if that's something you're interested in. I haven't done a live stream yet. It will be my first one, so bear with me when I do it. But it's just an announcement on new equipment. I got a new camera, I got accessories all for it, and then I will be getting a REM pod. So it'll just be kind of an update on that kind of stuff and what's going to be coming in the near future. So you guys don't have to watch this potato stuff anymore for all my true supporters that have been here since day one and whatnot. So it's a huge improvement, trust me. So anyways guys, I will see you at that live stream, but let's get back into this video. Okay guys, so we're gonna go buy this music because it's giving me and Carly the creeps. Like, it doesn't seem natural for a graveyard to have automated music. Like, that seems super weird. Like, I don't know if that's a way of honoring the dead. Okay, and someone's coming in here. Someone's coming in here 100%. Here, you want to take the camera? Someone's legit driving in here right now. I guarantee you it's probably the cops or some shit. What's this guy doing?
It's a truck.
Or you got it on video? You're recording that? Like, you can see them, right?
Yeah. I could, now they're gone.
What are they doing in here? They're stopped. What do you think they're doing?
No idea.
Maybe we keep an eye on them, but we do spirit box from in here.
Yeah.
I thought I just heard them talking. Maybe they're just doing what we're doing. You know?
Hopefully.
Alright, we'll park right here. And we'll do a little spirit
Yeah,
box.
I'll just keep an eye on that.
Oh, I can see them right here. Oh, they're moving. They just moved.
Are they out of their car?
Yeah, they got a flashlight.
Are they walking over to us?
Looks like it. Yeah, they have a flashlight. They're out of their car. See them walking around with the flashlight?
Yeah.
What time is it? 12? Midnight? You think they're just doing a paranormal investigation?
I don't know.
They might be just visiting it. What is it that they're digging?
That's what I was
Okay, guys. I know it's hard to see, but those are headlights. And actually, I can't see the flashlight anymore. It's like right next to the headlight. Yeah, you can see the 3 lights in the camera. There's just a guy out of his vehicle with a flashlight. Or a girl, whatever. I don't know what they're doing. They could just be doing an investigation themselves. We probably look sus, because we're just sitting here, but I mean, we were already in here as well, so. Okay guys, we're pulling out the Necrophonic. We're gonna ask what this guy's doing. If there's any spirits here, we invite you to come speak to us, but not to touch us and not to get into my vehicle, but you can speak from outside. we're just wondering if you know what they're doing over there, and if you could tell us what they're doing. These other people that are in the graveyard with us. Can you tell us what they're doing in here? Oh, they're moving now. Go. If this guy comes up behind me, I'm just gonna go around the loop. Does this guy mean us any harm?
Kinda sounded like it said yeah. Just wait.
Oh yeah, he might be going the other way. What were they doing here?
See me.
Huh?
It sounded like it said see me.
Did they come to see you?
That was the same voice.
Yeah. Yes. Get out here, it says. Alright guys, we're gonna show you guys this music here. Now that Buddy's gone, we could probably, I kinda wanna go over to see where he was at after. Like before we leave, I wanna go over to the spot that he was in and kinda see what was going on there.
Just got me wondering.
Yeah. It's just strange. It's always strange when someone comes into something like this when it's in the middle of the night, I guess, so. Like we're doing it, so it is what it is, but. Okay, here's that thing here. This thing gives me the heebie-jeebies, I don't know. Let's see if this just music. Garden of Chimes. Okay guys, I just want to show you this. It does say Garden of Chimes though. It's locked. What a weird thing in my opinion. I know it's a cemetery, but that's weird to me. Yeah guys, so that's what we were talking about, like, just super creepy to have that music going.
So I asked if there was anybody here listening to the song with me.
Yeah.
And as I said that, it says, don't leave.
What the hell? It really says, don't leave. August 2nd, 2021, at 12:05 a.m. That's wild. Don't leave. Okay guys, we're gonna go to a different spot, do a little bit more investigating now that that person's gone. Okay, so there's legit another person in here now. Like, I don't know what's going on tonight. Yeah, there's legit someone else in here now. What the f is going on? Here, can you take my camera? Make sure you keep it rolling. Like, what is going on? Oh my god. Like, why are people coming in this graveyard? This is like this isn't like completely secluded, but
Yeah.
it's like out of the city. It's not in the city. I'm kind of going that right now.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Asylum.
Be careful. Literally said be careful.
That's
Are you okay? It said are you okay, and then be careful.
Are they a threat?
Are these people a
They're
threat to us?
reversing now. Like they're turning around.
What is like what? I don't want to be like that person on YouTube that just runs away from
Just keep
every
going
car.
up.
But I'm kind of like wondering, like, what is this person doing?
Looks like they're stopped too now.
Do you hear that?
Why did you come?
We came for an investigation.
To talk with you. Was that you moaning outside? I'm gonna pull around where that guy was. I want to see what he was doing. I think he was just putting flowers down or something. This person, I mean, they could be doing the same thing, but come on, 2 people in one night?
Yeah, that was weird. This is weird. First time was weird. This is even weirder.
Yeah. Where am I even going? I can't remember.
Around the loop.
I almost want to drive by them. You know? Like, what do you think people just see us in here and they wonder what we're doing? So they come in here? You know what I mean?
Maybe, but it's just weird.
And one,
What is your name?
I just heard something out there before that went off. Like, was it like a whoa?
Yeah.
I know this investigation is mostly from the car guys, but like we don't know what's going on here. Like we're doing our best, but there's never any need just for YouTube to put ourselves at risk when we don't know what people are doing. But I seriously can't find my flashlight.
And especially from last time when we don't know if it was somebody or something
Yeah.
in that last graveyard.
I kind of want to go drive by them.
Let's go.
I know it said be careful, but I'll get out of here if I have to. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Where did they go? Oh, I found them.
I just want to know why people keep coming in here at midnight. I mean, like I said, they could just be ghost hunting. Some teenagers looking for a scare. Can anyone speak through this device and tell us what they're doing?
Why they're here?
I mean, they could just be visiting their family member too. No, they're dipping. They're moving quick.
Yeah.
Let's see if they leave.
It's hard to record with this thing on the top.
Yeah.
To the car.
Yes.
Get them.
And now they're coming back through the cemetery. I feel like we're like randonauting.
Yeah.
And like people are like rolling up on us or something. Like I don't know. I think honestly after that the last 2 weekends that we've recorded, it's honestly kind of gave me like almost like PTSD with this shit. Like when I see people and stuff, like that one guy screaming at us.
Chasing us out of the house.
Yeah, chase us out of the house. And then you got like the person in the cemetery, they don't say nothing.
Yeah.
And now you got like people like this. Like now they're parked over there. Are they trying to, fool around, or are they like, what are you doing? Like I thought they were visiting a family member, but they were over there for that, and now they're just over there.
Yeah, like what's happening right now? It's almost 12:30.
Yeah. I really don't know what's going
Oh,
on.
they're moving again.
Can anyone tell us what people are doing here at this time of night, except for trying to communicate with you guys? Are they trying to communicate with you as well?
Where? Over there.
Yeah, at the other side of the graveyard, near the front.
They're moving. There they go.
They're gone now?
Yeah.
Were they trying to communicate with you as well? Sound like okay guys, we're back out now. Those people left. We don't know what's going on right now. There's just people in and out of here all night tonight, for the most part. We're both kind of on edge too. Like, we've just been having a rough time filming lately, so we are having kind of a rough go. I think those are drains. I'm not really sure why there's holes on those. Someone, if you know, in the comments down below, let us know why there'd be like a hole on a grave like that. 1905. Wild. If there's anyone out here that wants to communicate with us, we have a device here that you can grab onto. It'll allow us to know that you're here. I know there's lots of people around here. I don't want to step right on your resting place, so I'll set that right there where I'm not stepping on your resting place. There where I'm not stepping on your resting place. There where I'm not stepping on your resting place. That's her voice.
Like, was it a deep voice?
Yeah, deep voice. I 100% heard a voice over here. This stuff makes you paranoid sometimes. Like, it's not even ghosts, it's people. Like, people are weird. People are, no, seriously though.
No, I know.
People are sketch.
That's
I swear I just heard a voice again from the same place over there. If you're here with us, just grab onto this device on the ground or speak into this one that's in her hand. Maybe put that down there too. Not too close. I don't want it to... Is that us in there? Yeah, it is. You can see us in the screen. If there's anybody here, you can speak to us through that device, or you can light up the other device so that we know you're here. I'm feeling like I'm being watched hardcore from over there. Like something or someone is over there. One sec.
Is there someone or something watching us?
Guys, I know this investigation wasn't the best, but I did hear a male voice 100% from over here. It almost looks like someone's laying right there. I don't think so though. Who knows, that could have been paranormal, right? What, you heard something over here? What'd you hear?
It's like that deep voice.
You heard it over there now?
Yeah.
Is there somebody here with us? See, this is where I start to think it's not a spirit. For all we know, people could be squatting in these woods. Did you hear that? Grab the stuff, grab the stuff, go to the... Did you hear that? Grab the stuff, go to the... Did you hear that? Grab the stuff, go to the... No, 100%, that was a person's voice. That's not a ghost. I just heard it again. Sorry, I'm trying. Somebody's here, guys. Like, we're not. Oh! We are not alone right now. I'm scared to get in that car because I don't want them to run up on us. Okay. What? I don't know. It sounds like it. 100% it sounds like someone's over there. Okay guys, we're gonna end this investigation here. I'm sure that the camera picked up on that voice, 100%. But the weird thing, like, maybe I thought I was hearing it from over here, but it was coming from over there. Because that was clear as day. Like, we both heard that, like, we both reacted, like, you were already grabbing your phone and whatnot. I'm gonna put my lights on the woods here. 100% I heard a voice over here. 100%. There is like an opening right to the over there.
Yeah.
I can see it. I think there's actually someone sleeping here. Like someone homeless. There's no way the camera didn't get it, so like whatever. If people want to chirp about it, I don't care. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that was creepy.
No, we've had a weird night already again. Like, we can't win lately. Okay guys, so where we just came from. Oh no, the camera can't pick it up. I don't think I see it on the camera.
Here, give me it. I'll see.
I don't think there was a light there.
I don't think so either. Oh, I can see it right here. So it's right there.
I don't think there was. I'll have to review the footage.
I don't think so either.
I don't think there was though. Okay. You know what, I'm kind of done with this cemetery. I mean, think about it like this. There have been known to be druggies that come here, right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, they found someone that literally
OD'd.
OD'd. Alrighty guys, that is it for this investigation. I'm sorry if it's a little dark for you guys. Another very strange night, almost a little bit more explainable. I'm thinking that the voice we were hearing in the woods was maybe just like a homeless person, you know. I don't know what to think. I'm just trying to rationalize as best I can. We've just been having, like, it's actually stressful. It's starting to stress me out. Like, we've been having such weird encounters. Like, yeah, that could have been paranormal, but it's like, it was way too audible. Like, I feel like paranormal would be quieter. The times that we've had that before, it's been quieter, you know. And then you got people coming in and out of here in cars left and right, and then you wonder, like, okay, well, you know, they could just be coming in here to visit a loved one. The one guy made sense. He got out, had his flashlight on, looked like he was looking for, you know, a spot or whatever. So it seems like they were actually, like, you know, going to see somebody, but the other person was just driving around and parking in random spots. Like, yeah, I know we look sketchy too in here, but like, we could barely conduct our investigation properly because of all this. I don't know guys, I apologize, I really do. I try to make the best content that I can, but at the same time, you know, like, I only have 3,000 subscribers. I get 500 views per video if I'm lucky now, and like, I don't want to risk my, you know, safety or Carly's safety for a video, right? So you do have to be weary or whatever. You got to be weary of people, because you don't know people's intentions. I know someone commented on my last video, and they were like pissed off, like, oh, ignore them, do your video. It's like, man, like, the world isn't as peachy as you might think it is. I don't know how old you are or what you've experienced in life, but the world is not peachy. You got to be careful out here. So anyways guys, thanks a ton for sticking around this long if you did. I really appreciate you. Better video quality coming soon, night vision, and more stuff. So I will see you guys in the next one. Keep it real. Peace.